Compressed air has various applications in different industries, and one of the ancient industries in all of human civilization is crafting of timber into useful items such as furniture, tools, and decoratives, as well as utilization of the same in construction and framing. Yes, it is a woodworking industry. Modern technology has evolved alongside the production of wood products with the use of electric tools such as electric saws, drills, etc. Tools make daily carpentry tasks much easier and they are rooted into the traditional equipments of trade such as lathes, chisel, saws which are required to craft the timber. Pneumatic tools requires compressed air and to make it efficient, reliable and with the right air quality, Atlas Copco have solution. Atlas Copco's rotary oil-injected screw compressors are designed as per Indian climatic conditions. Pre-filter along with heavy-duty air intake filter with a filtration efficiency of 99.9% up to 3 microns allows the minimum dust particles to enter into the compressed air, which makes the all components to run for a longer life, which increases the reliability of the compressor. Along with the same, the coolers which are designed and used in this particular product allows the compressor to run at a lower temperatures. In woodworking industry, the pneumatic tools need to run for a longer life and therein the quality of compressed air plays a very important role. Apart from the oil-injected rotary screw compressors, Atlas Copco do have the solutions in filters and the different types of dryers which makes the air suitable for different applications as per the ISO purity class standard. Few of the industries also face a challenge of installation space and pressure drop. To address this challenge, Atlas Copco have the compressors with sufficient size horizontal tank which stores the pressurized compressed air, the integrated refrigerant dryer which gives the moisture-free air, and also the filters which removes the dust particles. All these components are integrated together which saves the space. In addition to that, it also saves on the interconnection piping and reduces the pressure drop. Contact Atlas Copco today to know more on the solutions in compressed air system in your woodworking industry.